Could you tell me? Wait, I missed all of that.
Yeah, Daddy wants to know about acid rain. Can
Yeah.
you tell Daddy
You
about
just
that?
woke up. It's not even 8:30 in the morning. What are you talking about acid rain for? So explain to me about acid rain.
Well, I already learned a whole bunch of stuff. You told me about mosquitoes, everything. Tell Dad.
Yeah.
What's acid rain?
Acid rain is normal rain, but mixed up. So,
Okay, tell me.
you know dinosaur fossils?
Yeah.
And people burn dinosaur fossils and then it turns into smoke.
Ooh.
So then the smoke comes out
Yeah.
and then they come right towards the clouds. So the cloud would be drinking water and then the smoke would be mixing up with the molecules with the rain.
The smoke mixes with the molecules in the rain.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then the rain falls onto plants, and
Okay.
then it turns into cold. And then that's how acid rain is made.
Wow.
Well, good morning. Thank you for the waking up and got the professor go over
I
here
know,
giving
Professor River.
lecture 101 of acid rain at
Tell
8:30.
Daddy about mosquitoes.
You wanna know something?
Yeah.
Mosquitoes don't suck up blood.
What do they suck up?
Nothing. They just put in little drum danes.
They do suck up blood.